Say hi, Kai Kai. So, the woman them say them tired of it. Like what Wally British would have said. A lady in Manchester chop up her husband. Chop up her husband. And as you guys know, recently in the media, a lot of women have been getting chopped up, killed by their partners. But no, the woman them say them tired. It like what Wally British would have said. And they're fighting back. And just like the men that kill their wives or their woman, there's no reason for you to kill your partner. But with this story, the lady come from Manchester, and they're saying that both the husband and the wife have made police statements against each other. So it's a common thing for them to have domestic dispute. And one day it never turned out so good.
What?
I'm making a video. Me I talk about the woman who chop up her husband in Manchester. So they said that he beat her with a machete, and she went home and chopped him up. That's the story. And also another Jamaican woman was killed in Philly recently by her Jamaican boyfriend. So the cycle continues. We just a kill off one another everywhere we go out here, man. I don't know what it is. Our it is, babe. It's in our DNA or what?
I think it is in our psychological build-up. Jamaicans are violent people. There's a reason for it, so.
It goes all the way back to days.
Yeah, and how we were raised and how our culture is.
Yeah. Like they used to send the most disobedient slaves to Jamaica.
But even then, the slaves never used to kill off each other then.
True.
They used to band together and fight for their freedom.
Yeah.
We killing each other off now because of we always been tribal. We always been a tribal set of people.
Yeah. I don't know what it is. I don't know what to say. Because even in England, babe was talking about it, about how the Jamaicans in England are killing off them one another too. Which is crazy.
Yeah, the stabbings that's going on over there in England, a lot of them stabbings, they're offsprings of Jamaicans.
Yeah.
So that's to tell you, all over the world,
no matter where we go,
they're killing each other.
Mm-hmm.
But that's to tell you, man. It has to do with a lot of stuff from our culture, our makeup, the way we're raised. Remember, I know we associate pain and hurt with love.
Mm-hmm.
The same people that beat you until you pass out, they wake you up and tell you they love you.
Mm-hmm.
From we're small.
True that. Hope you're about till you sleep all day and can't wake up to the next day. And then come around and try to tell us that they love you, see me. Well, that's just, I guess it, and it's not only our culture either, it's in like Caribbean culture too, so it's not only us, but we're the only one that I see are killing off one another at such drastic rates.
Jamaica was the buck-breaking colony, remember that too?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you got a lot of undercover homos in Jamaica that pretend, that's why the Jamaican male is in your culture like fuck a bag of girl and all this. All that for a lot of them is a beard.
Yeah.
They call it. They're hiding. Because what they really have is homosexual feelings, but they can't come out in that society and be like, man, I'm bottom on it up.
Mm-hmm.
So they have to pretend that you overly sexed and you're a womanized woman and all these things. And when you get to find out the truth is,
they don't even like women.
you show up on the internet with a cock in your mouth and a gun in your mouth, sucking the gun like a cock.
Craziness.
Did we see it already?
Yep.
Okay.
And and I've seen plenty more after that video came out. So it was not just a one-time thing. It was a whole lot of things that came out after that video.
The one where I don't know if you see when I'm at the beach and he have on girl G-string.
Yeah. Crazy.
Telling their girlfriend their boys night out at the homie house.
Yeah.
Homie, I ran him.
And I feel like it's like so much. It has so much. I don't know if Jamaican men
a lot of them boys been molested.
That too.
Or come on, rape and molestation is big in Jamaican culture, and Jamaica don't want to admit that. And those little children grow up to be friggin' adults with rage.
Yeah,
you see how the killings are? The killings are rage killings.
Your music, you know, my background.
The killings are rage killings.
Yeah.
And enough of them don't like women neither. Hear why? Because who get all the beating them and the punishment when them are growing up?
Woman.
Most of the woman them.
Yeah, true that. Because
enough of them never have no daddy, the woman stress out.
And
have a bag of picnic.
And that's the thing that I talked about in my other video.
The kids and beat the hell out of them. And the kids hate that.
Yeah, that's the thing that I talked about in my other video, is that a lot of women raise boys on their own in single parent household with no male there, so they're going to have resentment against women, especially when it comes on to discipline. And most moms, if you're a single parent, have to be the disciplinarian in that household, and that's how Jamaica is.
Somebody said on my channel, when the girl him there, we have to take kick on box. Because that's revenge for what he got from his grandmother, his mom, and aunties growing up.
Really?
He was raised by all females. There wasn't no men around, and they used to abuse him, he said. So now, you don't care how nice a girl is that he dates. You have to take kick on box.
Kick on box.
Yeah.
There you have it. So comment in the comment section what you guys think of this lady that chop up her husband. Do you think that she just got
him up? She stabbed him up.
She stabbed him up?
Pretty sure she stabbed him up.
Well, hubby's saying stab up, chop
Woman
up.
Stabs husband to death in Manchester.
Stab up, chop up.
What do you think man not turn up on the chop? That's the wheel what she do.
Well, stab up to death. And like they said, this has been going on for a long time. So it's just once in a while domestic violence issue. They have made reports on their one another to the police station, and the guy supposedly beat her with a machete before she killed him. So comment in the comment section what you guys think. Do you think that Jamaican women are just tired of it and they are seeking revenge now? Bye guys.
That particular